My name is Matthew Stapleton. I live at with Cysylltu and Edward. I've been with them for the last 20 years, 8 years of shared lives. We're a very open, honest family here, so we're always talk it through, and any problems it's always sorted. Listen to each other and make sure that we do the right things. If we have disagreements, then we just end up laughing and joking about it, because some of it's so silly. But we do talk about it. That's the most important thing that anyone can do, is just talk about it first. What's important to me is my independence, and just to be myself, and that's very important, to be yourself. Sean from Shared Lives, he helps us along with that, and if there's a problem, he's probably he will help us out as well, and make sure it doesn't escalate into a bigger thing. And he's very good at what he does. He said, no matter what, just text me or phone me, I'll answer the phone. We've had other people come and stay with us, which I've helped settle in to the new environment, because it's not easy. All emotions, that does happen. You just need that extra support to show that you wanted and you cared for. Anyone that wants to join Shared Lives as a carer, you have to be 100% committed to what you do. Always be honest, and always show that you care, and always part of the family. If somebody wanted to use the service, I would tell them to go for it, and to seek the help that is out there with Shared Lives, and somebody will always answer the phone and help you on your way.